Vivo V27e hard reset password. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this Vivo V27e. So if you do this, all your data files will be erased also. So turn off first, just quickly press volume up and power switch in order to turn off. So wait 5 to 10 seconds to completely off the phone, and then long press all buttons, volume up, volume down, and power switch. When Vivo logo appears, just release the power switch, and here it is. Use volume down to select recovery mode, and then confirm for power switch, and just wait for a while, then a recovery mode is pop up. So here, tap clear data, just tap clear data, clear all data, okay, and then just wait for the phone to clear the data or to wipe the data. So in this process, all the files will be deleted. So tap return back, and then tap restart. So wait for 2 to 5 minutes in order to open the phone. It can take 2 to 5 minutes. When the phone is open, just set up until you reach into the home screen. So connect your Wi-Fi if you have Wi-Fi. So in this video, we cannot skip because it is asking for FRP or Google account. So visit the link in the description to bypass the Google account. Thank you.